Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see how to design a Shopify store for a clothing brand. Let's start from the admin page of a Shopify and click on View Your Online Store to see what it currently looks like. As you can see, our online store is empty. Let's go back and see our product page. We don't have any products on our store. Let's start building our clothing brand store. Click on Online Store. Choose the theme that matches your brands and product. And start customizing it. To build your shop based on your brand, you need to focus on 3 sections of the store: the header, the template, and the footer section. Let's start from the header section and change the announcement text. Let us adjust the color of our store in line with our brand. Now let's add our clothing brand logo. Once we insert the logo, insert the background video. Then let's save the changes and go to the products page to import your products to the Shopify store. Click on Add Product and start inserting your brand information. Insert the title, the description, the media, the pricing, etc. Let's start with the title of your product and insert a description. Let's include some images in the description section to describe our brand's product. Let's include some images in the description section to describe our brand product. Once we complete the description section, let's go to the media section and import our brand product. As you can see, the brand logo is available on all products. Now, let's go to the pricing section and set a price for our products. Go to the variant section and set the variant based on the material. And link with the appropriate image. Then set the pricing for the variant. Once you are done, save the products. Go to the online store page and customize based on our brand. Here is the newly added product to our store. Click on Add Section and add the image banner to visualize our brands in the store. Add another section to insert image collage. As you can see, it looks great. Let's keep adding image with text section to talk more about our products individually. Keep adding a section and choose an image banner option. Then insert the image that helps you to talk more about your brand. Add a rich text section to insert some information about your brand. Let's add more rich section and put the mission of our brand. Change the color scheme and insert the information. Once you have finished, save the change and view your store. We successfully added our brand to our store. You can build your brand in this way by following all the steps from the very beginning to the end. Thank you for watching.